Hey guys, welcome back. As you guys see, it's a beautiful fall day. It's Friday. My anniversary is on I think a Friday. I think maybe it's Saturday or Sunday. That lovely thing over there looks weird. Guess the brand before it comes. I give you a hint. It's a Japanese brand. Still a truck from Japanese. Tokyo, Japan. And it's not Suzu, but it's a H. Starts with H, ends with O. Middle letter is N. Guess it. But I won't be able. You guys gotta say one word. If the fourth one who honks at me not doing on pump this time, I'll tell ya. Or me doing on pump. That counts too. Okay, I'm talking about now. It's hino. It's hino. He's telling someone. Sorry guys, if I didn't get hino, Hino, I don't know what to say. I guess I say you guys are a bit hino-y, I guess. I guess I say you guys are a bit horny. Get because it's a horn. Hino. I think that's Dave. Is he Dave? Dave, Torrent. Dave. Alright guys, what happened yesterday? Fourth horn. PTI. Right now Cascadia. Piece of plastic. Second horn of the day. Right now M2 with a car horn for a cone. That's so sure. Oh, hey! Hino's right there coming. These are just the good horns of the day. Last two of the day. A Mac. And also the horn yesterday was a Mac from Cisco. Thank you, Mac. Thank you, Cisco, for honking. You guys got a 10-star, 10 out of 10 review for honking for me. And Walmart give me a lifesaver haircut, which is 15 out of 15, which is the highest score you can get for a horn. Trucks can go all the way up to 350. Really depends where he come from. Well, if it's a truck that honks a train horn, for me not do nothing, gets a 500 review. Up to a 500 review. You can get, I was being paid for every horn I get. Like 50 cents per horn. That would suck. I'm out here every day, often to talk. Not knowing the dangers I'm gonna get myself into. Nice boy right there. Yeah, they're stuck behind the lightning. It's going slow as dog. Crap. Hello. Come on, get stuck in me or in him. Yeah. Hey, that's $1 I got from getting truck yard. No, I'm joking, guys. That ain't. What's that back end? Like an F1 or 1999, something like that. 1990s F-150. Nice. And that's his salvage pulling out from a 7. Who is it? Ron's telling. Hello, Ron. You're not honking. That's nice to know that you hate me already. Hey, I can't say he hates me. Maybe he ain't actually honk. Or maybe the only horn he actually has a train on. He doesn't have a train on. He just has a SLJ and a Subaru horn. Which both make, I don't know what SLJ sounds like. Let's do that one. I'm just copying what my idol says. Yeah, I don't have an idol. I totally do not have an idol. It's totally not to me unspeakable and tell him I have a talent for him. Every truck he gets honked. I get honked, he has to give me $1 for. That is funny. That is funny. Funny as crap. He'll probably kill me. And there is no money. He has like $11 million, I think. Like 11.8 million. Like this thing right there. Sweet. Dang this is. Sweet. I haven't really seen one in forever. What time is it? Okay. So I have a meeting at 9:15. It's not a normal meeting for Friday. It's my homeroom. You're all required. These for dog's sake. Why is it me? I said dog, not God or Jesus. That's a weird looking roof rack suit. Oh, you're that super I like the grab meals, they're nice. Big guys the guy I seen yesterday. What I need you to know, guys, is I'm not the kind that wants to get no horns every day. I want to get the horns every day. But one thing, guys, is the drivers like to see us do the horn pump. They must we like to do the horn. And now I'm not your mom or your god or your mom or anything or your dad, pretty much. Not like I'm not pretty much someone that says what to do, but. Not to be mean, but you gotta, if your kids do on pump, don't make them stop because these truckers love it, the honking the horn to the kids just as much as we love to hear it. So you yell at them, it's something totally wonky, and you gotta leave my channel. You hate kids. Hey, damn, I'm a kid making all these videos. I'm the one doing it to make y'all happy. So, yeah. And while I'm making videos and stuff, I'm making entertaining you guys or anyone who's bored. I'm often bored, so that's why I'm doing this, to prevent me being bored. The employee won't be coming until like 10 o'clock. Gotta bring his own kid to the doctor. I have my kid. It's dog, and she loves biting people in the butt. Hey, please be the guy that did save my haircut. I almost catch the Dukes of Hazzard this morning, like the actual car. What? Again? Again? And he actually did almost the whole same haircut. I want to see him again. I want to see that guy again. I'm going to name this video Save a Haircut and Hino Honk. And Hino Honked. But him again out here, I thought I can, but he missed the 2 honks. Dang it. Well, it's still a Save a Haircut, not a shaving haircut too, bitch. Not like that, but a shaving haircut in a good way. I don't know, now. I haven't done an unpump to Walmart so long. Crap. You guys might hate me for it, but I'm gonna cut it off from the intro. Now, Hulk Windows, what that guy do to me? Ow, I cracked my arm. Ow. One thing, guys, is I'm actually doing some idiot things, like trying to get me to do stuff for them, like tell me my mom's name. And y'all questions for stuff like on the internet. Please comment if you are or know who can help me, because well, I'm gonna get this man arrested, but I don't care about him. And I said, are you gonna be nice to me? He said, are you still mad? I said, yes. And he said, are you gonna, no. He said yesterday, are you gonna be nice to me? I said, no. He said, why? But I responded back with, because you're a big fat dog and you're asking to see stuff that most boys do not ask about. Look at this point now. This is a sweet point now, the classic here. Nice. That guy definitely has straight on there. Hey, where's your other buddy at? That's a nice Mercedes there. Sweet. Oh, it's just these stacks. There's a nice stack. Like, what kind are they? Big fat stack kind of fight now, ain't that normal? The most unnormal truck out here might be that one in the fighting out the random train home that is not custom. I see that guy the first like year of truck flying. I'm like, oh snap! I'm going all crazy. I don't know what the heck to do. Well, go here to the outro. Alright guys, stay safe, stay trucking, tell me your favorite truck. And tell me what you think about that mini shaving haircut.